So we have a new product here. These are the ZEV Technology upper and lower AR receiver kits. And I have right next to it the Noveske Model N4 upper and lower kits, because we are fairly certain that these are the exact same manufacturer, just for different companies. Essentially, if you look at all of the cuts on a Noveske N4, you look at some of the cuts back here, over here on this side, into the mag well, and then you compare it to this one, especially back here, you can see that the anodizing is the same, the CNC cuts on the forge is the same, the mag well looks the same, back in here it looks the same. So we're fairly certain that these are being made by the exact same company. When you look at them at this side, you can't tell which one's ZEV and which one's Noveske. The difference in price, ironically, is that the Noveske is about $50 more expensive than the ZEV. The anodizing is essentially exactly the same on the top and the bottom. You can see that the uppers here look exactly the same too. They have different engraving, obviously, but the cuts are the same, the reliefs, the machining, the anodizing thickness. One of the things that we did find that was pretty different, though, is the Noveske, when it goes together, doesn't really hold together. It's fairly tight, okay? But these, when these go together, you can see how tight this is. And this is kind of new in the AR world, is having that super tight fit between these pieces right here and that back stud that goes back in here so that it won't come apart. This is so tight that I actually can put a barrel in this, and the barrel is extremely snug too. It locks in place, and this actually will hold together just like the Sons of Liberty Gunworks will, which ironically we also think that the ZEV or Mega is the company that we believe was the one that ZEV bought up and is making these, makes all of the same ones. So these are $255 a set. These are about $315 a set. Noveske's nice. We like them. We like the work. It's good work, but because of the price difference, we're actually going to start carrying the ZEV Technologies. We'll still be able to get these. It's just we'll keep these in stock. They're a little bit more price correct than these. You're paying a little bit more for the Noveske name, and then we'll order these as needed.